Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So it's been a minute since I have painted. I have been sick for almost 3 weeks and getting better. It's just, it's hanging on for a little while. So if I could get the cough to go away, then I think it would be fantastic. So anyway, I thought I would at least try to paint, and maybe that would help me feel better. So I decided to show you guys my new split funnel that has 6 compartments. My other one has 8. And so we made another variation so you can have some options. And so I thought I would use this one and show you. And the cool thing I love about this funnel is the handle. It's versatile, so you can use it a couple different ways. I like to put my thumb over it to give me that extra stability, just because I have kind of weak hands. I've already had, a couple surgeries on this one, which didn't help. But anyway, this one's acting up too, so I think the handle works really great for that, for me especially. And if any of you are having issues, the handle would be also great. So the colors, let me get to those. You can see that they are really bright and fun, and they are all neon colors. So this one is neon pink. We've got neon orange, neon yellow, neon green, and neon blue. They are all from Artist Loft, and I have had them around for years, and I thought for this it might be really cool and for me to just use them because, again, I've had them in my with my paints. When I redid my studio, I found them, and so I thought now would be a good time to use them up. And then I also am going to use black to kind of hopefully, give some separation there. We'll see. The last video I did using my 8 chamber, if you missed it, I'll show you the painting. This one's been varnished. It's just beautiful. I'm going to try to change up how I'm going to pour this one. When I did the last one, I filled my colors, and then I do have it on my turntable just in case you didn't notice that. And what I did was, when I was turning it, I lifted the funnel up and down, and I don't think I'm doing that this time. I think I don't even know if I'm going to use my spinner. My turntable is just easy to set this on in case I have that option, just in case. So I think what I'm going to do is just lift and then turn it, spin it in a circle, almost like a ring pour. So, but I haven't decided yet, not quite yet. And I don't think with this one, I'm going to put a puddle down. The last one I did. And if you missed that video, I will link it below in the description so you can go check that one out. And also, all of my tools do say acrylicpouringtools.com, if you can see that, and that's where they are all available. All right, so let me get my gloves on, and then we can get started. All right, so I've got my gloves on, and one little tip for you guys that have a split funnel, have got my split funnel, my 8 chamber. A cool thing, if you have my swipe tools, when you're done, this works perfect to put underneath because you may drip and you don't want to do that. I discovered that kind of accidentally when I did it the first time. I was like kind of in a panic, and then I saw these and I stuck it under there. So it works really good if you need it. If not, you can, I don't know if I'm going to need it today, but I'm having it handy just in case. So, all right, so I've got my colors in the order that I'm going to go. And I think actually, yeah, I think I'm going to hold it in my even weaker hand. I think that's how I did it last time as well. And I'm going to put it all the way onto the canvas. All right, so as I was pouring, I noticed that the black seems a little thinner consistency. I didn't measure. I know I should have, but I didn't. So, and the consistency of the neon paints, I did make a little bit thicker because I was hoping it would hold their shape, or the lines would be a little defined. So I guess we will see. And I'm still not sure what I'm going to do. That's why I haven't lifted it yet, because I'm not sure if I want to turn it or not. I may. We'll see. It's going to be a split decision. So I'm just going to lift it first, and here we go. I think I'm just... Okay. I think I really like this, and I'm gonna leave it. I gotta scoot that. I guess you're missing part of it there. So I really like this so far. It looks pretty good. And I know it's not completely perfectly centered, but it doesn't have to be. So I do see a couple air bubbles. I'm gonna go over it with my torch really quick. Nothing major. I just had to stir it really quick, just give them a quick stir before I used them, because I actually made them before I got sick. So they were sitting in the cup, and I actually stirred them yesterday, or a couple days ago, because I was going to come in here and do it, and then I just, didn't have the energy. And so they got a little thick. I added a little bit more pouring medium, and so I just want to give them a quick stir today. Before I used them, they were really good. I think my consistency looks really good since I've poured it now. It looks really good. I'm super happy with it. Okay, so make sure you guys stick around to the end because I will show you the dried result, and I will look for my black light and show you under my black light too. I have one. My husband bought me one a while ago, so I know I have it. I just have to find it. All right, so make sure you stick around. All right, everybody, here we go with the dried result, and I love this little guy right in the center. It looks like an owl. I thought he was super cute, and I love the rest of the painting. It turned out really, really fantastic. The colors are so nice and vibrant, and the lines are really nice too. I love using these split funnels. They're so much fun. Now I have a couple different options in compartments to use. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not. And all right, here we go. The moment you guys have been probably waiting for is the dry result under the black light. And wow, I am so happy with how this looks. It is really, really cool. And there's that little owl again. He's super cute. Anyway, if you guys are interested in this funnel that I used or the 8-chamber funnel, it is available in my Etsy shop along with all of my other acrylic pouring tools. Make sure to go check it out. All of the links for my Etsy shop are in my description below, and also my other video that I did with the 8 chambers funnel, that is in my description as well. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I have a bunch more videos I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.